Thank you for checking out my video. Today I'm going to be preparing oatmeal raisin cookies. If you like what you see, please feel free to like and subscribe this video. If you would like the full recipe with the nutritional facts, feel free to check out my website at ASPT.club. Let's get into this oatmeal raisin cookie recipe. Now this butter trick I saw on social media, so I figured I'd try it out. All you have to do is place the butter in some warm water. This stick took around 3 minutes to get to room temperature. When removing the butter, next time I'll use a strainer. You see how slippery this butter is when it's warmed up? While the butter is coming to room temperature, I'm gonna get the dry ingredients ready. After 5 minutes, I'll add the egg. Once the mixture is fully blended, I'll add 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. After the dough is evenly mixed, I'll add the dry ingredients. Before adding the dry ingredients, I like to push down the buttercream so that it evenly mixes. Make sure to turn down the speed when adding the dry ingredients, or you're gonna get the dry ingredients all over the place. Once the dough is consistent, add 1 cup of raisins. Make sure to add the cup of raisins by hand. You don't want to use the beater because you'll destroy the raisins. Bag up the dough and refrigerate overnight. Preheat the air fryer to 325. While the air fryer is preheating, prepare the cookies for baking. Today I'll make 2 cookies and freeze the rest of the dough for another day. With this recipe, I'll get around 10 cookies.